Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. Our topic is Keep Your Skin Healthy. Your skin is the largest organ of your body and plays a vital role in protecting you from germs, pollution, and harsh weather. Keeping it healthy is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. In this lesson, we'll talk about simple and natural ways to care for your skin every day, such as eating nutritious foods, staying hydrated, sleeping well, and protecting your skin from the sun. You'll also learn some useful English vocabulary and phrases related to skincare and health. So, whether you're interested in beauty, wellness, or just want to practice your English, this episode is perfect for you. Stay tuned and discover how to make your skin glow naturally and beautifully. Let's begin our journey to healthy, happy skin. People say that beauty's only skin deep. It's what's on the inside that counts. Our insides are certainly important, but skin is your first layer of defense against the outside world. Skin can also give important clues to your overall health. Learn to take good care of your skin, so your skin can keep taking good care of you. Skin plays other roles too. It contains nerve endings that let you feel when an object is too hot or sharp, so you can quickly pull away. Sweat glands and tiny blood vessels in your skin help to control your body temperature, and cells in your skin turn sunlight into vitamin D, which is important for healthy bones. Skin can also alert you to a health problem. A red, itchy rash might signal allergies or infections, and a red butterfly rash on your face might be a sign of lupus. A yellow tint might indicate liver disease, and dark or unusual moles might be a warning sign of skin cancer. Be on the lookout for unexpected changes to your skin, and talk with your doctor if you have concerns. Your skin can become too dry if you don't drink enough fluids or spend too much time in sunny or dry conditions. While washing hands is important for good hygiene, washing your hands too much can also lead to dry skin, Kong says, especially if you wash with hot water and harsh soaps. To treat dry skin, use moisturizing creams or lotions, and use warm instead of hot water when you bathe and wash your hands. You can also try using a humidifier to make the air in your home less dry. The sun can damage your skin as well. Sunlight contains ultraviolet UV light that causes sunburn and makes your skin age faster, leading to more wrinkles as you get older. There's a strong link between UV exposure and skin cancer, Kong adds. So protect your skin from the sun. Wear hats and other protective clothing. Use sunscreen with a sun protection factor SPF of at least 30. And restrict your time in the sun during the late morning and early afternoon hours, when sunlight is strongest. Many skin researchers like Kong are studying the skin's microbiome, the bacteria, and other microscopic organisms that live on your skin. Some of these microbes can be helpful. Evidence suggests that they boost the body's infection-fighting immune system and help keep you healthy. But there are some skin diseases with known associations with certain microbes, says Kong. We're trying to understand how those microbes differ between healthy people and people with skin diseases. In the long run, scientists would like to find ways to support healthy skin microbes while reducing harmful ones. Save your money and try these 10 simple skincare habits to help you look and feel your best. 1. Wash your face with mild soap and warm water using your hands. Do this once or twice a day. Scrubbing can make acne worse by irritating your skin and pores. 2. Use an unscented moisturizer that's right for you, like a cream for dry skin, a gel for oily skin, or a lotion for normal skin. If you tend to get acne, try an oil-free moisturizer. 3. Be sun smart. The sun's rays can reach you when it's cloudy, so put on sunscreen every day. It's also a good idea to wear sunglasses. Choose ones that provide almost 100% protection against ultraviolet UV radiation, and a hat with a brim. Keep in mind that both light and dark skin can get burned. Even a suntan is a sign of sun damage. So avoid tanning when you're outside and skip tanning booths. 4. Leave pimples alone. Squeezing a pimple could cause more swelling. It also can lead to scabs and leave you with permanent pits or scars. Reddish or brownish acne marks left behind after pimples clear up often fade with no need for treatment. 5. Avoid makeup germs. If you wear makeup, clean any brushes and sponges about once a week to get rid of germs. Don't share them or the makeup itself with anyone else. And be sure to take your makeup off before going to bed. 6. Get enough sleep. It's called beauty rest for a reason. Too little sleep can make people stressed, which can lead to breakouts. It can also make skin blotchy and under eye circles darker. Try to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night. 7. Try to stress less. Stress can make skin conditions like acne and eczema worse. Try to relax with things like meditation or yoga. 8. Move more. Exercise can help you sleep and ease stress, both of which are good for your skin. 9. Eat healthy. Foods that are fried or full of sugar like fast food can irritate your skin and make it break out. Try to eat meals that include lean protein like fish, chicken, or beans, fruits and vegetables. Fries and potato chips don't qualify as veggies. Whole grains like whole wheat bread or brown rice. 10. Don't smoke. Smoking robs your skin of precious moisture and causes premature early wrinkles. If you have acne, ask your doctor to recommend a mild treatment. For severe acne or another skin condition, like eczema, see your doctor or a dermatologist, a doctor who treats skin problems. Our skin is one of the most important parts of our body. It covers us, protects us, and helps us stay strong and beautiful. Healthy skin makes us feel confident and comfortable. It also shows how we take care of ourselves. Keeping your skin healthy is not difficult if you learn the right habits and follow them every day. Let's explore how we can take care of our skin in simple and natural ways. Healthy skin is important. Your skin is like a shield that protects you from dust, germs, and sunlight. It helps control your body temperature and allows you to feel touch, warmth, and cold. When your skin is healthy, you feel fresh and full of energy. But when your skin is dry, oily, or has pimples, it can make you feel uncomfortable and less confident. Healthy skin also helps you look young. When your skin is clean and soft, you look happier and more active. It shows that you care about your health and hygiene. That's why everyone should learn how to keep their skin healthy and glowing. Sleep is very important for healthy skin. When you sleep, your body repairs damaged cells and produces new ones. If you don't sleep well, your skin can look dull, tired, and pale. Try to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Before bed, clean your face and apply a little moisturizer. A good night's sleep gives you a natural glow in the morning. Also, keep your pillowcase clean. Change it often because oil and dust from your hair can cause pimples on your face. Exercise regularly. Exercise is not only good for your body, but also for your skin. When you exercise, blood flow increases, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin. It also removes toxins through sweat. You don't need to do hard exercise. Simple activities like walking, dancing, or yoga are enough to help your skin stay healthy. Exercise also reduces stress, and less stress means fewer skin problems. After exercising, remember to wash your face and body to remove sweat and bacteria. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Smoking and drinking alcohol are very bad for your skin. Smoking reduces blood flow and makes your skin pale and dry. It also causes wrinkles and makes you look older. Alcohol dehydrates your skin, which can lead to redness and dryness. If you want to keep your skin fresh and young, try to avoid smoking and drink less alcohol. Replace these habits with healthy drinks like green tea, fresh juice, or just plain water. Drink enough water every day. Water is the best medicine for your skin. When you drink enough water, your body removes toxins, and your skin becomes soft and clean. Dehydration can make your skin dry and rough. You should drink about 8 glasses of water a day. If you sweat a lot, drink more. You can also eat fruits with high water content, like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges. Carry a water bottle wherever you go. Make drinking water a daily habit. Your skin will thank you. Love your skin. Your skin is unique and beautiful in its own way. Whether it's fair, dark, freckled, or tan, it tells your life story. Don't try to change it. Love it. Taking care of your skin is an act of self-love. When you feel good about yourself, your confidence grows. Smile more. Stay kind. And your natural glow will shine from the inside out. Keeping your skin healthy is not only about beauty, it's about health, happiness, and self-care. Your skin protects you every single day, so it deserves your attention and love. Eat healthy food, drink enough water, sleep well, and keep your mind calm. Protect your skin from the sun. Clean it gently, and use natural products whenever possible. Small steps make a big difference. With time, you'll see your skin becoming clearer, softer, and glowing with life. So remember this simple rule. When you take care of your skin, you take care of yourself. Love your skin, keep it healthy, and let your natural beauty shine every day. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. Keep your skin healthy. I truly appreciate your time and attention. I hope you learned something useful and feel inspired to take better care of your skin every single day. Remember, your skin reflects your overall health and well-being. When you eat well, drink enough water, sleep properly, and stay positive, your skin naturally becomes brighter and healthier. Taking care of your skin is an act of self-love and confidence. So, keep following these simple tips, and you'll soon notice the difference. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends or family who care about health and beauty. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons about health, happiness, and daily English practice. Once again, thank you for joining me today. Take care of yourself, and always remember to love the skin you're in.